brand new 2023 Grand Design Solitude.
Solitude, 2-bedroom.
But this has the 2-bedroom and it has a loft as well. So let's check it out. You got a full-size refrigerator, nice freezer area. It's huge.
Yeah, just like ours now.
Yeah, so it's
Just the freezer's in the bottom.
nice pantry.
Nice.
Of course, the island with the 2 sink covers that you can lift up.
It's got a water fountain on this side. See that?
Clem. Nice. It's the plastic. And then you have the TV that comes out. And then look at the oven. So you could fix a full-size family
So the oven's a
meal.
little bit bigger.
Yes. Not only is it bigger, but you get 4 burners. Most RVs have 3 burners. So that's a nice plus. Upstairs you have the loft.
It's got a nice big fireplace there. And then the TV that rises up. Oh, and I like the stairs. It's not the round dowels.
Have a nice slider barn door, as you can see, that separates you from the rest of the area. Closet space, you got different size drawers. The ones below obviously being deeper.
Oops, that opens up.
Look how deep those drawers are.
That's a lot of cabinets.
Yeah. And another barn door. You have stairs that go outside that brings you to another full bath.
It's a full bath.
Yes.
That's
Tiny
nice.
sink, but if you have your own bathroom in your bedroom, that's not a bad thing. That's pretty cool.
Oh, you know what's missing?
What?
Dining table.
Yes, you're right. You have the bathroom, which has the nice new shower head mechanism.
Oh, like that.
And the thing is, I notice they don't have too many storage cabinets. Like most of the time, they have storage cabinets that go all along the side.
Still a step down shower.
Yep, but
And look at that stainless steel sink.
they still
Nice.
utilize the space there. And then you got a king size bed. It looks like king.
Just like ours.
So there's a lift up, and it's probably washer dryer.
Yep.
Where you can have a
It's
washer
just like
dryer.
ours. Just like the Solitude.
And then you got plenty of cabinets. The only thing nice, look at the shelves on the side that we don't have.
Yep.
But other than that, I think it's really nice. It's really,
They even got the USB in the walls.
yeah.
Yep, on both sides. They got the USB ports. And they got the little shelves. So I see this one's a little bit closer than ours.
But I do
To
like
make
the
them-
headboard too. It's,
Oh, yeah.
again, everything in this unit is a little more modern, but the fact that you're getting 2 bedrooms, 2 baths,
Yep.
and a ginormous loft.
And you got 2 pull-outs, drawers underneath. Lift it up and see if you can lift the bed up.
Oh, so, okay, so what's the deal with this is
So you
that
can
you
have-
have this
Yeah.
small area because of the drawers
Your
underneath.
jewelry and things like that, and then a little storage there.
Yep.
Nice. So you still got the big storage down here. And you got it separated for your own generator. You got a kingpin. There you guys see that one.
Is that a nice truck or what?
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Holy hell. So it's got the new style shower heads. Got a couple of medicine cabinets here. We got that unique wood background. And let's see here what they got. So there you go. So you got the hanging clothes there. Oh, this is almost like a barnyard. Oh, there's your doors right there. And looks like that's where you got your hook up your washer and dryer.
Like this that class.
So Clem, notice the new lights that they've got. They no
nice
longer have
concept.
the old fiber lights that are ductile lights.
Yeah.
So now they have something a little more.
Edison light bulbs.
Yes, and the Edison light bulbs. And again, a 4-burner stove. They have probably heard a lot of
Now, we
comments.
only use 2 of our 3 burners. I got this in,
Yep.
in 2020. We don't need a 4 burner, but we like that stove.
Yeah.
We definitely like that
But
stove.
the oven is bigger.
It's got a full size oven.
Yes. I like the 4-burner because, let's say if you're doing spaghetti, you have one burner for like pasta to be cooking, the other burner for your sauce, and then if you're doing like say broccoli or some kind of veggie, you can put it on your 3rd burner.
So then, what do they make different besides the obvious that we may not see on this one here?
Well, you have the option for 8,000-pound axles with this brake.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Was available when I bought mine.
This says it's white.
Yeah. Storage.
Well, here somebody stay over.
First SUVs on European Concrete in 10 2023 Bronx issues, all 26
Thank you.
She was right.
Good job.
This time, yeah. Wow, where's the store? So this is a 395,
Yeah.
2023.
Okay, this time I noticed the bathroom is split. It's like a Jack and Jill bathroom. And the bedroom is a little close.
Oh yeah.
But you would get this much hanging clothes room, and then you have the small doors up underneath, so it wouldn't be too bad. Can you see?
And we got overhead.
And then you come through here. It's like your medicine cabinet's over here now. Oh, you have one here.
I love the shower head. What would you do here? Look where the outlet is.
Yeah.
Kinda, I don't know.
Maybe if you put a mirror or something in there to blow dry your hair, or
Right down there is an outlet.
you can dry your hair.
What is this? Medicine cabinet and stuff? Yeah. So there's 2 medicine cabinets.
Yeah, because you also have plugs here.
Oh, they made it fixed. The cabinet's
It's
fixed.
gonna come out.
Remember the island was more this
Yeah.
way and then that slid out? No. When this slides in, it slides up to that corner.
You're right.
So you do have more counter space.
On the side. And then in here you have your half bath.
Yeah, definitely it's changed. It's changed a lot.
Small, a little smaller now. And then you got your porch area, and then your area here for an office / guest room.
A little storage right over there, very small, and then a TV. That's it.
Oh, gotcha.